Hello guys, magluluto tayo ngayon ng lechong paksiw. Yan ingredients natin: lechon, dato puti, toyo, oyster sauce, magic, bechin, sibuyas, bawang, laurel, paminta na buo, at saka banana blossom, at saka suka para guys. Suka. Start na tayo maghalo guys. Okay na guys. Yan. Suka. Bawang. Sibuyas, laurel, banana blossom, tapos anting bechin, paminta, anting magic, toyo, oyster sauce. Malasa kasi ito guys pag may oyster sauce. Then halu-haluin na natin guys. Tapos mahalo guys, isa lang na natin. Ito guys, salang na natin. Ito na guys, luto na. Ito na guys. Ready to eat. Thank you so much everyone. Guys, ito na yung ating finished product. Ready to eat na guys. Thank you so much.